Welcome to Tesla Vision. Today, we will talk about the most recent Tesla news and updates. Let's get into it right away. Elon Musk astounded the automobile industry by proposing a small neighborhood in East Germany for Tesla's maiden European automobile manufacturing plant. The politician who brought him there now intends to transform the city into a huge distribution center for electric vehicles. In a discussion, Jörg Steinbach, Minister of Economy in the state of Brandenburg, stated that the battery cell manufacturing plant that Tesla wants to incorporate at the electric car factory it is constructing in Grünheide could well be operational in about 2 years. And Tesla is far from isolated. In neighboring Schwarzheide, the German-based chemical conglomerate BASF plans to produce cathodes and recycle batteries. Francis Air Liquide would spend 40 million euros, $48 million, to provide the site with oxygen and nitrogen. Moreover, the US company Microvast is aiming to develop Ludwigsfelde fast-charging kits for vans and sport utility vehicles. These initiatives and the great ambitions of Musk, he indicated the Grünheide site could ultimately emerge as the biggest battery cell plant in the world, have been fueling hopes that Brandenburg, that lost most of its manufacturing industries due to the Second World War and after the collapse of the Berlin Wall, will emerge as an EV manufacturing powerhouse that will support thousands of jobs. The entry of Tesla placed the state on the map of the new manufacturing sites for major global conglomerates. There have been more applications for potential ventures in Brandenburg than ever before. Tesla has been focused on the development of its Model Ys in Grünheide before the batteries are made in Germany. Within the middle of this year, the facility is expected to begin assembling the model and ultimately manufacture up to 500,000 vehicles per year. Although the building for Germany has advanced extremely rapidly, Tesla is still waiting for Brandenburg authorities' final consent, and legal battles have emerged from environmental organizations. Steinbach said that when it comes to the approval of the factory, he is totally relaxed. Any glitches in the pathway of regulating the plant do not offer any sign of not getting the final green light. Authorities place quality above speed in order to avoid any legal disputes emerging from any such action, Steinbach stated. Although he would not preclude snacks from the opening of the plant late last year, he claimed Tesla gave no hint that they would not start manufacturing in July. In late 2019, Steinbach was an integral figure in establishing Tesla's German investment, banking on the closeness of Brandenburg to Berlin, its skilled workforce, and clean energy abundance. In the months since then, he has helped establish a task force dealing with Tesla on issues spanning from the water supply of the plant to autobans. He became a whisperer of Germany, illustrating to Musk and his personnel the sophisticated regulatory authorization system in the country. Work was slowed down, partly because peculiar sand lizards and hibernating bats had to be relocated. For the US automobile manufacturer, the Grünheide plant is crucial, underpinning Musk's European growth prospects as Volkswagen Group, Daimler, and BMW extend their electric vehicle lineups. For Germany, Tesla's new car plant promises new employment opportunities, with European car sales having plummeted the most on record last year. Chancellor Merkel's government extended a supporting hand to Musk under criticism for being too slow to pick up on the electric vehicle transition, offering the CEO whichever support is required to get the plant operating, starting from pointing out assistance packages available to the organization and ending with establishing connections to help hire initiatives with local labor organizations. In relation to the developments of its batteries, Tesla has delivered more passenger EV battery power and battery components, including lithium, nickel, and graphite, than its 4 closest competitors combined in 2020, according to a study by industry analyst Adamas Intelligence. The broad delivery of battery metals by Tesla is illustrated by the rolling out of its Model 3s made in China, which included LG Chem's high-nickel NCM811 cells. The vehicle also started integrating contemporary Amperex technology nickel and cobalt devoid lithium iron phosphate cells later in the year. The study by Adamas underlines the fact that approximately 20% of all passenger EV battery power delivered on roads by LG Energy Solution, a spin-off of LG Chem, went to made-in-China Tesla Model 3s in 2020, rendering it the broadest route to market for the calendar year for the cell provider. In the meantime, Cato's made-in-China Tesla Model 3 was the third biggest cell supplier to sell in the calendar year, but the highest growing customer in Cato's books, with less than 10% of the total EV passenger battery power deployed on roads. In some trending news, according to a securities filing, Kimball Musk, brother of Tesla's CEO Elon Musk, sold 30,000 shares of the electric car manufacturer this month for approximately $25.6 million. Younger Musk is a member of the pioneering automaker's board. According to the securities files, Antonio Gracias, another director, sold more than 150,000 shares earlier this month. The sales come after Tesla, which entered the S&P 500 late last year, had a dramatic run. However, Gracias substituted these positions by buying 150,747 call options, which expire in June of 2022 and 2025, with exercise prices of $52.38 and $68.56. Gracias, who serves on the audit committee of the Tesla board and doubles as Valor Equity Partners chairman as well as CEO, holds 1.3 million Tesla shares through the AJG Growth Fund, the filing revealed. Tesla executives and lobbyists hold about 19.6% of the shares of the firm in the past 12 months. Its stock price has risen by more than 400%, but has stalled in recent weeks and decreased marginally over the past month. The sale of shares seem to have had major effects on trading, evidenced by Tesla Incorporation's shares on what seemed to be an all-volatile market session for the stock market, having inched 0.85% higher to $811.66 on Thursday, with the Nasdaq Composite Index rising 0.38% to 14,025.77 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping 0.02% to 31,430.70. A two-day loss streak ended with Tesla closing $88.74 below its 52-week high, $900.40, which the company had previously reached on the 25th of January. The stock surpassed some of its rivals on Thursday. Toyota Motor Corporation dropped 1.62% to $158.94. General Motors went down 2.51% to $53.50. Honda Motor fell 0.20% to $29.59. The trading volume stayed 21.3 million, well below the mean 50-day volume of 42.8 million. In the ever-growing frenzy over the Chinese market, Tesla China President Tom Zhu informed Xinhua Net that the Tesla facility in China would have over 20 laboratories that would be used to manufacture Tesla's new electric car, a $25,000 electric vehicle, a major fall in the cheapest Tesla vehicle, Model 3, which currently costs $35,000. Tesla's latest battery cell manufacturing initiatives, outlined during the Battery Day in September, would make the low price visible. Elon Musk said in September that the company was planning to sell cheap automobiles around the world. The car is completely independent and is anticipated to be available to the public in around 3 years. Last year, Tesla reported its preliminary plans to build a research and development facility in China. This facility is Tesla's only research and development center outside the United States. The center is located at the company's Tesla Lingang Giga factory in Shanghai. The plant was launched in 2019 and is continuing to increase production. According to Zhu, the factory built around 250,000 Model 3 cars last year, but expects to produce almost 500,000 in 2021. This facility is a part of Musk's hopes to make a Chinese-designed automobile and is an effort to expand into the lucrative market for electric vehicles in China, the largest global market for electric vehicles. We would like to develop and manufacture a conceptual model in China, Zhu said to Xinhua Net. It is produced here and distributed to the whole planet. Tesla already has reported plenty of accomplishments in the Chinese economy. In 2020, the company's revenues in China doubled compared with those for the preceding year. Zhu stated that the center was just the start of Tesla's intentions to move into China's automotive market. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.